Hi, it's Anne with Passport Premier, and we're rating the top 8 myths associated with buying and flying business and first class. Ready to separate fact from fiction? Okay, let's go. Number 8. Premium cabin fares are based on cost. Myth. Business and first class fares aren't based on cost, but what an airline thinks they convince you into paying. If fares seem excessive, don't believe it. Prices typically start high, but often end up selling for less than coach. Number 7. Buying early guarantees the best deal. Myth. You shouldn't wait to the last minute, but buying 6 or more months in advance usually isn't a good idea either. Airlines routinely overvalue their most comfortable seats for early shoppers, and a few unsuspecting flyers take the bait, but not enough to fill all seats. The sweet spot for buying is generally 50 to 120 days before departure. Number 6. Airlines want to sell business seats for money. Myth. Ever noticed outrageous prices on flights with empty business class cabins? It feels like the airline doesn't care if you buy a ticket or not. You're not dreaming. They don't. US airlines generate more revenue selling miles to banks than selling premium seats to flyers. Don't get me wrong. Airlines will gladly take money from anyone willing to overpay, but selling miles allows them to hold out longer for excessive fares. Number 5. I need to buy my ticket today. Myth. Self-imposed deadlines do nothing more than making sure you will overpay. In reality, business fares don't increase until half the seats are sold or within 2 months of travel. The smartest flyers never help an airline set a market and don't buy early, and neither should you. Be patient, use fare monitoring tools, and let the deal come to you. Number 4. Airlines sell empty business class seats to consolidators at big discounts. Total myth, and it must have been a consolidator that started this fallacy. With 3 mega airline mergers in 5 years, the airline industry has consolidated itself. Ask yourself, if airlines aren't giving big discounts to multi-billion-dollar giants like Priceline or Expedia, would they really unload their most comfortable seats to small-time wholesalers? Answer, nope. Number 3, don't hesitate, just overpay. False. Total myth. Most premium cabins are ghost towns, just weeks and even days before departure. Airlines use buying events and the mileage lottery to fill the leftovers. Ever wondered if business class flyers are really overpaying as you schlep back to coach? Well, most aren't, and may even be paying less than you. Number 2, the most comfortable seats are the most expensive. Not true. Most flyers think business and first class seats always cost more, but they don't. Actually, these cozy seats can be cheaper than the dreaded middle seat in coach. The longer an airline holds out for excessive fares, the farther fares can fall, sometimes lower than coach. Number 1, YouTube promoters pay to fly comfortably. Myth. The internet is loaded with people sitting in high-priced seats wanting to share their experience with you. Before thanking them, ask yourself, would anyone paying $20,000 really care about sharing their experience with me? Even if they do, wouldn't high-priced ticket buyers paying $20K plus be flying private? Most of these videos are taken by marketing influencers, people trying to get you to overpay, even though they haven't paid a dime. Remember, if the seat was really worth 20 grand or more, it wouldn't be filled by a paid influencer sitting in it for free. Most flyers won't overpay for comfort. Buyer beware. Business class buying events remain the best way to fly comfortably for less, and only a Passport Premier subscription gets you there. Not a member? Go to www.passportpremier.com for additional information or to subscribe.